Hi y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Ann and today is a Stitch Fix day. I'll have all the information about Stitch Fix down below in the description box, as well as a link to a code you can use if it's your first time to try it. You'll get $25 off your first box. I'll get $25 off my next box. And if you keep all 5 items, you get 20% off your total purchase. Returns are easy and free in a big envelope. Get a note from your stylist. Here's the invoice. We'll save till later. I've got 2 bundles. Let's get into these. First, we have by Bobo, B-O-B-E-A-U, Bobo, the Lou Balloon Sleeve Sweater. And I think this is cute. I know that it is officially spring, but it's cold outside right now. It's also trying to rain, but this is cute. Big sleeves. It's got this cable knit, and then it has the pretty knit in the front. I like the color. It's kind of a chartreuse. Is that what you would call this? Very cute. I like this. Next we have this is the Kennedy Puff Sleeve Knit Top by Beacon. And this is, oh, this is cute too. Very light, thin material, and then it's got the dotted Swiss sleeves that are sheer. I think that's really pretty. Yeah. Next, this is the Medellin V-neck sweater, M-E-D-E-L-L-I-N. I think in certain places you would call that Medellin. I don't know. Maybe I'm being too literal, but Medellin V-neck sweater, Medellin, I don't know, by Le Serene. Another sweater, interesting. Oh, this is cute too. It's pretty light. It's got the big polka dots and then the little polka dots on the sleeves, and then the sleeves are cuffed. Very cute. Another sweater. This is the Kiel short-sleeved sweater by Pink Clover. And it's cute too. I do have, which, ooh, it's in the dryer right now, which I forgot to, but I do have a sweater very similar to this that I got from Amazon, which I need to go get those out. But very cute. And then last we have by 1822 Denim, the Berlin high-rise capri jean. So these are cute. And they're high rise, and I like that. Okay, crop skinny. I think they're very cute, and this is a size 6, so I'm not sure which of these go together, but let's try these on and see what we think. I will be right back. This again is the Lou Balloon Sleeve Sweater in yellow, size medium, by Bobo. I think this is cute. I do. The sleeves are very long, very balloon. It's a tiny bit itchy. It doesn't feel great. I like it. $68 doesn't excite me. There's the back. It does have this, I think this is pretty. I like this style. I think it's cute, but we'll have to see. Let me know what you think. This is the Le Serene Medellin V-neck sweater in white, size medium, $46. Again, not sure how to pronounce that. I think this is cute. I don't know that I like it on me, again, but I do think it's cute. I like the big polka dots and the little polka dots, and banded at the bottom. Here's the back. Cute. $46, not too bad. I don't know that I love it, and I'll have to watch and see what I think. Watch it back. So I'll be back with the next top. All right, this is the Kennedy puff sleeve knit top by Beacon in navy, size medium, $38. I'm just having one of those days where I don't think anything looks good on me, but I'll have to see. It feels really good. It's super soft. It's longer it's long in the back. I do have it front tucked, but this is what it looks like without. I do like the sleeves. I do like the sheer sleeves with the dotted Swiss in contrast to the rest of it. But $38 is a good price. And I will be back with the last outfit, the jeans and the sweater. So, be right back. Here I am in head to toe pink. This is the Pink Clover Keel short sleeve sweater in pink, size medium, $44. It's cute. It's just cute. Pink Clover. I have a pink sweater fairly similar to this. I will show you, which I actually like better. Then actually, to me, looks better with these jeans. I do like these. These are the 1822 denim Berlin high-rise capri jean in pink, size 6, $59. I do like these. They are high-rise, which I like. Very comfortable. They're calling them capris, maybe on somebody who's 5'7", 8'9". I'm 5'5". I think they're very cute. I have on, I remembered, this might be a little too much pink, but I just got these, what are they, Toms from Stitch Fix. They were having a sale, and I did buy these. I do still have the tags on them because I haven't decided yet if I'm going to keep them. I also got a pair of white boots that I can't even walk in, so I'm going to send those back, sadly, because I really want some really cute white boots, but I digress. Anyway, here's this. I think I'll watch it back, but I think I might keep these pink jeans. I think they're really cute, very comfortable, and really good for spring. Still getting sweaters in these boxes, but let me show you the one that I got from Amazon that I could wear with this, but that I think is cuter than this. So hang on one sec. So here's this one, which I might wear with these pants. I don't know, I'll have to watch it back and see, but I did have this in the dryer and the dryer had stopped. I forgot about that. I usually set a timer on my watch, but I forgot. So anyway, it washed and dried really well, and I dried it a little bit, well, I dried it on medium, but anyway, I like this sweater and more than I like this one. So I will probably keep these jeans. Let me do a really quick wrap up. I'll watch it back and see what I think about the navy blue with the sheer sleeves. I like that one. I don't know if I like it enough to buy it, but I'll have to watch it back. But I do think I'm going to keep the pink jeans. The stylist picked subtotal $255. They're really, Mel is doing a great job of keeping my price points low, which I very much appreciate. The buy all discount of 25%, which is not what I said in the beginning of the video, 25%, not 20. So that would bring it to the order subtotal $191.25, free shipping, and then tax would be added on, which is 8.25% in Texas. And so that would make, if I were to keep everything, $200. It's not a bad box at all. It is springtime. They are still sending the sweaters, sometimes long sleeve sweaters, but that's okay. It is still, like today, still kind of cool out there. But that is it for this Stitch Fix. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye, y'all.